What if I told you that some companies are growing so fast that they have doubled or even tripled their revenue in just a few years? Who are these businesses? What is their secret formula for success? And most importantly, cloud you invest in them before they reach their peak? In this video, we will uncover America's fastest growing companies, what is fueling their insane growth, and how they are changing the business's landscape. Stay till the end because you might just discover the next $1 billion opportunity. Number 1. The explosive growth phenomenon. The US economy is consistently evolving, and while some companies struggle to survive, others seem to be on an unstoppable rocket ride. But what drives this rapid growth? Is it innovation, market demand, or something entirely different? The answer is a combination of all three. Take a look at Tesla, which saw its revenue skyrocket from $24.6 billion in 2019 to over $96 billion in 2023. What is fueling this insane growth? Let's break it down. Number 2. Spotlight on the fastest growing companies. Let's dive into some of the fastest growing companies that are marking headlight right now. First, Tesla, leading the EV revolution. Tesla is not just a car company. It's an energy and AI powerhouse. Their revenue has quadrupled in just a few years thanks to unmatched innovation in electric vehicles, the growing demand for clean energy solution, a massive push into AI-driven self-driving technology. But here is a question: can Tesla maintain this insane growth, or are competitors catching up? Let's find out. Second, Apple, the king of innovation. Apple, a $1 trillion tech giant, continues to grow at a mind-blowing pace. But how? A global iPhone user base of over 1 billion. Expansion into AI, AR, and wearable technology. Massive revenue from its service sector, App Store, iCloud, and Apple Pay. With rumors of Apple's next big innovation, could it dominate yet another industry? Number 3. Amazon, the e-commerce and AI behemoth. Amazon has transformed from an online bookstore into a $1 trillion empire, dominating e-commerce with over 40% market share in the US. Cloud computing through AWS, which generates billions in profit. AI and automation in logistics and customer service. But can Amazon sustain its dominance, or is it facing a slowdown? The answer might shock you. Third, what is driving their success? So, what is the magic formula? Why are these companies growing at such insane rates while others struggle? Here are 3 key reasons. Innovation and disruption. These companies don't just follow trends, they create them. Massive market demand. They tap into high growth industries with unstoppable consumer demand. Scalability. They have built business models that can expand globally with minimal friction. Now, here is a crucial question. Can an average investor spot these companies early and profit from them? The answer might surprise you. Number 4. Investment and future prediction. If you could invest in the next Amazon or Tesla before they become giants, would you? The truth is, early stage investment in high growth companies can be incredibly rewarding but also risky. So, how do you identify a future business powerhouse? Look for this sign: rapid revenue and user growth, strong leadership with a clear vision, expansion into new market, a disruptive product or service that solves a real problem. And here is a shocking fact. Many of today's biggest companies started as small startups just a decade ago. Could one of today's rising companies be the next Apple or Tesla? The business world is changing faster than ever, and these high growth companies are leading the charge. The question is, who will dominate the next decade? And more importantly, how can you benefit from this trend? Let me know in the comments. Which company do you think has the most potential to become a giant in the next few years? If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight into the biggest business trend shaping America's future. See you in the next video. Thank you.